Hey, I'm Fish. No one paid me, but I did get some points that paid for the camera, and you bet I can say what I want to say and say it out loud to you so you can understand what I feel and think of my first impressions. It's a lot to say. Let's get rolling. The first CPL lens with an external mic on the Osmo Action 4. I've taken off the CPL filter, and I am just going to do this test. You could say one of the first shots. Oh yeah, riding on a bumpy grass area, 4K, rock steady. Did this before, and here we go. Let me turn the camera slowly around. The Tech external wireless mic. Hopefully I can get some flights in if it's not too windy. I have both cameras on. And the very first thing I've noticed is the DJI Osmo Action 3 front screen doesn't show a blank lock screen like the Osmo Action 4. The only difference here you're going to hear is the internal versus the external. Osmo Action 4 external, Action 3 internal. I'm not here to do a review, I'm here to do a vlog, enjoy my time flying. First video of the Osmo Action 4, and I hope you can understand that. And what is a better time, no less, to get a plane out and go have some flying with it. This is known as the UMX Radian Flight Test, which is exactly what we are doing here, testing out the camera for me. I'm all set up. A very simple and quick release. Snap on and ready to go. It's a little windy. Let's get the thing on. Get a flight going. Off we are. Man, I think I haven't flown this one in almost a year's time. I left the other battery home, so we'll do our best with this one particular battery. We'll catch some thermals in 8 mile to 12 mile per hour wind. Propeller forward. Now I am facing the sun. I apologize because that's where the actual way the wind is coming against me, and I'm in the sun. Now this does have stability control like the Osmo Action 4 and 3. I could do an invert, fly upside down, and do a loop. Give it some gas and go up. And this is something you don't want to tackle in the wind. I love the UMX Radian on a nice day, calm day. It's very relaxing flight. I love the Horizon Hobbies own HBZ4900. You know what that one is? No longer being made. It's called the Champ. The Champ is a little orange plane just like this, but this is 4 channels. This is a 33.5 millimeter CPL filter, and I put a piece of tape going around the ring and I'm able to put this on. Now if I just take this and just go like so, not much is happening here. And if I start to turn it, can you see the sky just changing colors? I don't know how true these things are, but I am willing to get myself a filter later on. I have an ND8 that I could try to put on. The Osmo Action 4 gives you a night low-level hood that screws on to the actual unit. If you're looking to modify other things, like other filters to that and glue it on, you could try to doing that as well. We've done this years ago. Now I do want to get myself some filters. Maybe I could get my old DJI lens cover, take everything out, but it won't fit this. Osmo Action 3 and 4 are different. DJI is a little bit smarter than us, and we're going to outwit DJI one day. Meaning that, yes, just be a little patient. These filters will come out, and off we go. Now, I didn't really set this camera up, but anything else but out of the box. Changing the video resolution, that's about it. So I'm not sure what I'm on, but I have, like I said, the Tech mic, and the wind is kicking, and I don't think I'll be able to get anything else because I hear that wind hitting me when I ride. So this is my first impressions. Wow. Now, if I didn't have an Action 3, wow! You get the idea. Now, I'm not saying coming from a GoPro side of things or coming from the existing DJIs or not coming from any camera. These are the decisions you have to make. Now, I don't do any color correcting or 10-bit stuff like that for the reason of I got one of the latest machines, 2 years old now, and it's only 8-bit. So why would I want to struggle? Well, HEVC, high video resolution, whatever you call it, H.265 codecs. If you struggle with it, why use it? Go to H.264. It'd be a little less, but larger file size. And that is something that we all must think about. Now, yeah, I put on sunglasses so I could see nice and clear. Why didn't DJI offer us one day a package? For example, the Ultimate Vloggers package, right? Give us a CPL filter, an ND filter, give us a microphone adapter, even offer us a DJI wireless mic, single mic, and have it Bluetooth into the camera. Well, what are we up today? Bluetooth 5.2? I don't know. Well, there's a lot of noise out here. I am going to pack up, get on out. First impressions, it's all up to you. You tell me, hey, Fish, I'm happy to see. Oh, Fish, you should have, you know what? You're sitting on the sidelines right there. I'm sitting here right on stage, having the best time of my life with the latest camera in hand called the DJI Osmo Action 4. And on that note, I'll see you on many videos to come. All right. Now, yeah, I knocked out my USB-C cable and the wind just stopped blowing. And I'm all internal sound right now. And I am changed field of view to narrow, or D-warp as we should call it. And I wish it had narrow, and it doesn't. I changed the rock steady to horizon, so this way my camera's sitting a little awkward. I won't have that problem. And I am going across grass. DJI outdid themselves. I didn't see any outer rubber ring for the lens cover so you could take it off. Maybe they improved upon that. And let me tell you one thing. Oh, why I say outdid themselves? When you get your camera, oh man, package after package after package sales, you would not believe. Everything is wrapped like top-notch quality. The only thing big about DJI is the shipping box they give you. That box that you get, oh man, no magnet opening cover like it used to be. Just got a little flip top. And let me tell you something, the on and off of the shutter feels a lot softer than harder. Unless I gotten used to the button. So please forgive me if I feel mine is just a tad softer than harder. Without seeing the video, putting it on the editor and sharing it to the world like I'm gonna watch it with you, I hope you could enjoy what you've seen and what I said and what I showed. I will hope to make better videos down the road and share more of the DJI Osmo Action 4 with you in a review. I cannot do a review just like that and pass it along. It will take many, many times to get it right to share it to the world. So check me out later on, and I'll catch you on many other videos to come. By the way, before I go, this camera's generating heat, and that's what I feel on the back of it. See ya!